The exact second you tell someone your biggest goals, you instantly destroy your hunger to actually achieve them. Your brain receives a cheap, unearned hit of validation. It mistakes talking for execution. It is time to cut the noise completely. Welcome to Ghost Mode. This isn't about being lonely or isolated. This is a cold, calculated strategy. It is about building an asymmetric advantage while the rest of the world begs for likes. Performative hustle culture has lied to you. Public accountability sets a psychological trap. When you broadcast your plans, your mind leaks the dopamine early. You feel satisfied before you've even broken a sweat. Ghost mode seals that leak. By keeping your mouth shut, you force the pressure to build inside. That pressure becomes the raw, unfiltered fuel for your execution. For the next 6 months, choose invisibility. Let your results make the noise for you. Vanish into the dark. Build in silence. Return unrecognizable. Welcome to Stranger Insights.